working some math, and we're at gotomath.com. We're looking at some calculus and focusing in on how to solve limits analytically. And of course, this looks like the problem we're working on. And we're in this section right here, so I need to probably state that. If you're watching this on my Google Plus account or somewhere else on the internet, I suppose. Let's bring up the whiteboard. Let's get rid of that. We've got the limit as x approaches 0 of tan something over x. I think that was a 7 there. Does anybody remember? Yeah. Alright, in the previous section we showed that the limit as x approaches 0 of tan x over x is equal to 1. So that was shown in the previous section, and what I did was I went ahead and converted the tan x to sines and cosines, and then of course we use this fact. This is kind of what we've been using to build on all this stuff, and that is the sine of x over x is equal to 1. So if you convert this to sine over cosines and then use this fact here, I hate to have to do all this, but I guess it's probably necessary. Right, so if we had that, because that's equal to tan, we got the limit as x approaches 0, and what happens is, scroll down the screen here, we can take this, and so we end up with 1 over cosine x times sine x over x, and then we have the limit as x approaches 0. What happens when we plug 0 in for a cosine, right? We get 1, cosine of 0 is 1. And so anyway, I'm just going to stop there, and hopefully you can figure it out from there. Okay, so if this is equal to 1, then that means that we need to put a number down here, and that number is actually 7. So we have 7x here, we got a 7x here. So basically these two numbers are going to be the same. But if I put a 7 here, I must put a 7 up in the numerator, right? But I can take that 7 and actually pull it out in front of the limit. And so we have tan 7x over 7x. Well, we know that all this is equal to 1, therefore 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Okay, so this ends up being equal to 7, our original limit, which probably need to erase those 7s there. But anyway, hopefully you were able to catch on to all that. I guess we'll bring that page up and see. Ooh, we get a 7 there, and I think I've got some help going on here. So I kind of explain it as I'm going, except that you need to remember that this piece right here is equal to 1, right? Alright, well, good luck. Let's move on to another problem in this section.